Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a topic that might seem simple, but is absolutely fundamental to healthy hair care: the wide tooth comb. You might have one lying around, but are you truly unlocking its full potential? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see this humble tool as the unsung hero of your hair routine. First, let's talk about what makes a wide tooth comb so special. Unlike fine tooth combs or brushes with densely packed bristles, the magic lies in the space. The wide gaps between the teeth allow the comb to glide through your hair with minimal friction and tension. This is crucial. Think about it. When your hair is tangled, a fine-tooth comb acts like a rake, catching on every knot, leading to pulling, stretching, and ultimately breakage. A wide-tooth comb, however, gently separates the strands, persuading the tangles to release rather than forcing them apart. This simple design difference is the key to preventing mechanical damage, split ends, and that frustrating frizz halo that often comes from rough handling. It's not about aggression, it's about finesse. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The best time to use your wide tooth comb. The number one rule, the golden rule of detangling, is to do it when your hair is wet and saturated with conditioner. When your hair is dry, it's at its most elastic, but also more prone to snapping under tension. When it's wet, it's more fragile and can stretch. But the conditioner provides that all-important slip. This slip is like a lubricant for your hair strands, allowing the comb to glide through effortlessly. So, next time you're in the shower, after you've applied your conditioner, that's your cue. Don't rinse it out just yet. Grab your wide tooth comb and get to work. This method not only detangles your hair safely, but also ensures that the conditioner is distributed evenly from root to tip, so every single strand gets a dose of that nourishing goodness. You'll notice your hair feels softer and is more manageable even after you rinse. The technique you use is just as important as the tool itself. Please, I repeat, please do not start combing from your roots down to your ends in one fell swoop. This is a recipe for disaster. You're essentially gathering all the tangles into one giant, unmanageable knot at the bottom and then yanking on it, putting immense stress on your hair follicles and the hair shaft. The correct way is to work in sections and start from the ends. Hold a section of your hair firmly a few inches from the bottom. Gently comb through just the tips. Once that small section is tangle-free, move your hand up a few more inches and comb from that new starting point down to the ends. Continue this process, moving up the hair shaft incrementally until you can smoothly comb from your roots all the way to the tips without a single snag. It's a patient process, but the results are so worth it. This method isolates the tangles and works them out gently, preventing that painful pulling at the scalp and minimizing breakage to an almost negligible level. Let's talk about hair types, because a wide tooth comb is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but it is incredibly versatile. If you have curly, coily, or kinky hair, a wide tooth comb is your best friend. These hair types are naturally more prone to dryness and breakage, and their beautiful curl pattern can create a labyrinth of potential tangles. Using a wide-toothed comb in the shower with conditioner helps to detangle without disrupting your natural curl pattern. Forcing a brush through curls can lead to a frizzy, undefined mess. The wide-tooth comb respects the integrity of your curls, separating them just enough to remove knots while helping them clump together for better definition once your hair is dry. For those with wavy or straight hair, while you might be able to get away with a brush more often, using a wide-tooth comb on wet hair is still the gold standard for preventing damage. It's the gentlest first pass for any post-shower detangling session. Beyond detangling, the wide-tooth comb has other fantastic uses. Have you ever applied a hair mask or a deep conditioning treatment and wondered if you got it everywhere? Your wide-tooth comb is the perfect tool for the job. After applying the product, gently comb it through your hair. This ensures an even, consistent coating, so you're not left with some patches that are super moisturized and others that are dry and neglected. It maximizes the effectiveness of your products, meaning you get more bang for your buck and better results for your hair. It's also great for styling. If you've created waves with a curling iron and want to soften them into a more natural, beachy look, running a wide-tooth comb through them once is the perfect trick. It breaks up the curls just enough without completely brushing them out, giving you that effortless, lived-in style. Now, let's discuss materials. Wide-tooth combs come in various materials, from plastic to wood to acetate. Plastic combs are affordable and easy to find, but they can sometimes create static. If you notice your hair getting flyaways after combing, this might be the culprit. A great alternative is a wooden or bamboo comb. Wood is naturally anti-static and can be very smooth on the hair cuticle. Some even say that a wooden comb helps to distribute your scalp's natural oils, your sebum, down the hair shaft, which is a natural way to condition your ends. Another premium option is cellulose acetate. These combs are often so cut, not injection molded, which means there are no tiny, rough seams on the teeth that can snag and tear your hair. They are incredibly smooth and durable. Whichever material you choose, make sure the teeth have rounded, smooth ends. Sharp, pointy tips can scratch your scalp and damage your hair cuticle. Cleaning your tools is also a non-negotiable part of a healthy hair care routine, and your wide-tooth comb is no exception. Over time, it can accumulate product residue, oils, and dead skin cells from your scalp. Combing your clean hair with a dirty comb is counterproductive, right? Cleaning it is simple. Once a week or so, just let it soak in a bowl of warm water with a bit of shampoo or gentle soap for about 15 to 20 minutes. Use an old toothbrush to gently scrub between the teeth to remove any stubborn buildup. Then just rinse it thoroughly and let it air dry. A clean comb means a cleaner scalp and healthier hair. So let's recap the power of this simple tool. The wide-tooth comb is your #1 defense against breakage and mechanical damage. It's the perfect partner for in-shower detangling with conditioner, ensuring your hair is handled with care when it's most vulnerable. Remember to always work from the ends up, gently coaxing out tangles instead of forcing them. It's a universal tool, a must-have for curly and coily hair types, and a smart choice for everyone else who wants to prioritize hair health. It helps you distribute products evenly, from conditioner to hair masks, and can even be used as a gentle styling tool to soften and separate waves. By choosing a quality material and keeping it clean, you're investing in the long-term health and beauty of your hair. It's a small change, a simple switch in your routine that can have a massive impact over time. Less breakage, fewer split ends, less frizz and hair that feels stronger and looks healthier. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and talking all things hair care. I hope you've learned to appreciate the power of the humble wide-tooth comb. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're already a fan of wide-tooth combs or if you're going to give this method a try. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, take care of yourselves and take care of your hair. Bye.